G'day guys, Paul Belcher from Roberts Real Estate and welcome to my new listing at 57 Coleman Street in the forever popular suburb of Moonah. We're walking distance to all services Moonah and Glenorchy has to offer, and the home weatherboard 3-bedroom with a study, could be a 4th bedroom, open plan living, renovated bathroom, level access and so much more. Let's go in and take a look. We're in a great location, walking distance to all services, schools, doctors, cafes and also restaurants. If you've been looking for that perfect property in the prime area, look no further. To book an inspection or for more information, please don't hesitate to call me. I'm available 7 days a week and I'm here to help.